Today we're going to assemble a toilet top shelf. First, secure all the long screws to the wooden board, 92 in total. Please note that some boards also have screw holes on the back. Next, we'll start assembling the cabinet. This is the lower half of the cabinet. Secure the connection with the round clip, making sure to tighten it firmly. Follow along with my video to continue splicing. Install the cabinet door hinges, making sure they are level and not crooked. Install cabinet door handles. Next, we'll start assembling the upper section of the cabinet. Assemble the cabinet as shown in the video. Note that you'll need to align the door panels to find the correct position for the hinges. Start by inserting one screw to mark the position. After marking the alignment points, remove the cabinet doors and continue assembling the cabinet frame. You'll need to manually mark the hinge positions on all 3 doors. Follow the steps in the video and refer to the instruction manual to assemble the cabinet, then tighten the round clips to secure it. Assemble the upper and lower cabinet sections. Install the cabinet doors according to the markings you made earlier. You can adjust the door gap by tightening the first screw on the hinge. If the door sticks out, you can adjust it by loosening the second screw on the hinge, which controls the hinge's length. Once you've adjusted it to the correct position, tighten the screw to secure it.